Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add vinyl record sticker to your Instagram story. So first step, we're going to update our Instagram app. So go and open your app store right up here if you're using iOS device or Google Play Store if you're using Android. And then tap on search icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, we're going to search for the Instagram. Right, so type right here. And then if an update button shows up here, as you can see, you just have to tap on update and just have to wait for a few seconds until it's done installing the newest update for the Instagram application. Right, so once done, you just have to tap on open and then it will automatically open up your Instagram app. As you can see, the newly updated version of this app. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And here on your profile page, you just have to start by creating a story. So tap on the plus icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then here we have some choices. So in this case, I'm going to select on this story. So I'm going to tap on the story and it will open up my camera roll and my gallery. So basically, if you're going to just select the music and if you want to add just like the a vinyl record sticker, just have to tap on music and select the music or song that you want to play to your Instagram story. So for example, I'm going to top random song right here. So as you can see, this is the example vinyl record sticker. Now, if you want to add this to your photo, so basically you just have to tap on the X icon at the top left. Right now from here, we're going to select an image. Now, if we're going to add that vinyl record sticker, just tap on the music icon right there at the top beside the emoji icon, and then we can basically select the song, right? And then we can basically select the part of the song that you want to use your story, and then you can at the top you can swipe it, so you can basically choose any of the icons here. Now we're going to use the vinyl sticker or vinyl record sticker right here, and then we can basically tap on done. Then you can resize it and place anywhere on your story. You can also share this story to your Facebook if you want to. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.